Ever pondered the mysteries of lava rocks? Or perhaps wondered how these fiery fragments from deep within the earth can be used in your backyard fire pit? Well, wonder no more, for today we delve into the world of lava rocks and their role in creating the perfect fire pit experience. Lava rocks, born from volcanic magma that cools and releases gases, are much more than just ruggedly attractive stones. They are champions of heat tolerance, masters of weatherproofing, and protectors of your burner. These rocks are like the unsung heroes of a fire pit, working tirelessly to provide you with an optimal fire experience. So how do you harness the power of these volcanic veterans in your fire pit? It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Firstly, lay the groundwork. Think of it as building a house. You wouldn't start without a solid foundation, would you? For your fire pit, this foundation comes in the form of pea gravel or sand. Spread it evenly across the bottom of your pit. Secondly, it's time to bring in the lava rocks. These should be layered over your foundation, creating a bed of rocks 2 to 4 inches thick. Make sure to spread them evenly across the pit to ensure optimal heat distribution. Finally, ignite your fire pit and watch as the lava rocks work their magic. They'll absorb and radiate heat, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Now, if you're after a different aesthetic, there are alternatives to the traditional lava rock. For instance, fireglass, which comes in various colors and sizes, can provide a vibrant twist to your fire pit. Or you could opt for tumbled lava rock, a smoother cousin to the traditional lava rock. And if you're looking for a more cost-effective option, sand and dirt can also do the trick. To sum it all up, lava rocks are more than just pretty stones. They're vital components to your fire pit, providing heat retention, weatherproofing, and protection for your burner. By following these simple steps, you can turn your fire pit into a backyard centerpiece, and all thanks to the humble lava rock. Remember, whether you opt for traditional lava rocks, their tumbled counterparts, fireglass, or even sand and dirt, the key is to create a warm and inviting atmosphere that you and your loved ones can enjoy. So, go forth, harness the power of the lava rocks, and let the flames dance under the starlit sky.